To make a sandwich de milanesa, you will need half a baguette bread, 1 thin chicken scallop, breadcrumbs, flour, 1 egg, olive oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a pinch of sesame seeds, a handful of salad, 3 cherry tomatoes, mustard, and salt. Put some salt on your scallop. Flour your scallop on each side. Dip in floured scallop into beaten egg. Press the scallop into breadcrumbs on each side. Over medium-high heat, fry your scallop in olive oil about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, depending on the thickness of the scallop. Drain excess oil of fried scallop on a paper. Prepare the salad by mixing the cherry tomatoes, the salad, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a pinch of sesame seeds. Make the sandwich. Cover each toasted bread sides with mustard or mayonnaise. Place your salad on top. Place your hot scallop on top. Finish with the bread. Et voilà!